Hello there. The birds are saying hello as well. Alright, did my run towards the park. And now it's gonna be the first video I do in the woods. I'll just have a quick walk here, then run back home. But yeah, welcome to Lesnes Woods. This was my go-to spot to just sit in nature, listen to birds, be surrounded by greenery and plants. And yeah, it's been a quick minute since I came to this spot. Now that it's getting warmer, I am going to be doing a lot more recordings here. I have a special bench down there. I usually smoke there, chill. Not many people come round. And yeah. Got a busy day today. We rented out a car to do a lot of chores. So gonna be helping around with my family. I was gonna have some plans today, but it seems like they won't come to fruition. So instead, I think I'll just end up watching some movies with my family. A few weeks ago, we bought a DVD of Fantastic Mr. Fox. So, I'm gonna watch that. Since this area is quite secluded, I don't mind holding my phone out like this. I want to get much better at whistling. Like, I can't do the finger whistle. That's actually the best I've done it in my life. Not there yet, but we'll get there. It's not too green in this forest. All the leaves are falling down. I'll come here in spring a lot to see the forest and start blooming. And that'll be cool. I was gonna do a recording in my room last night, but considering the recent no talking vids that I uploaded, I kind of need a break from recording in my room. There's been a lot of understanding in terms of how when I choose to have the 10 minutes to share with people and when I want those 10 minutes to spend with myself. So there's a lot of like clarity and understanding how to mix the YouTube and my private life together. But yeah, the previous no talking vid, I was cleaning my room. I ended up doing it topless. I don't know why. I just felt like it because I was also planning to do like push-ups. And I didn't want to get too sweaty. It was a bit weird, like being topless and putting it out there. Don't expect me to do much of that. That might be just the only vid where I do that, but we'll see. I guess it's all about breaking that comfort zone. And just try new things. It'll be a bit of everything on my YouTube channel. A bit of that, a bit of this. See what people like, see what they enjoy seeing. Observe, you know. Okay, I'm just saying words at this point. I didn't think through. Squirrels. They're running down there. I'll most definitely do a silence call vid in these words. Silence call. Hello, squirrels. Let me get you. Oh, that's my face. Where are they? Oh, they're playing around with each other. Oh, to be a squirrel in a massive forest, just hunting for some nuts, running around, and yeah. Oh, I can be doing a lot of these vids whilst exploring the woods area, because I haven't gone around some places in a while. This gate here, I remember jumping over it with some mates, and there's these, not charcoal, like chalk cliffs, whatever. And yeah, just being silly in there. Oh yeah, chalk pit. Eventually I'll jump over and film it again. But right now I'm heading back. It was a nice quick visit. Pop in. Remembering how it is. And it's still pretty nice. I so wish to live near nature in the future. I can't wait to have a motorbike so I can finally just buy a tent and just disappear whenever I fucking want by myself. Just go. Drive to Wales and experience the Welsh nature, because it always looks sick there. I really want to go there. Like, all jokes aside, there's cool places to visit in UK. I just don't have the means for it. You need a vehicle for yourself to drive to be able to reach those cool places. So, yeah. Even though I want to get out of London before I disappear from UK in general, from this biggish island, I want to still check out what cool sights it has. In these woods, I still have this memory of looking back into the tall grass and seeing a quick orange kind of tail bounce out of it and hide. And it was like this glimpse of a fox in the nature, which was quite cool. A little glimpse. I didn't even see the whole of it. And for some reason it's stuck in my head. I don't know. Nature is beautiful. What can I say? I won't be surprised if in the future I'm gonna be one of those old dudes that are bird watching and taking pictures of birds. I'll have a cool camera, you know. Have a bird Pokedex. Take pictures of all the species and all that. That'll be cool, I think. But yeah. Alrighty. I hope try to spend some time with your family today. Do some chores, help them out, and yeah, enjoy the time. Stay chill, be vibey. See ya.